Ecolab really understands the challenges of the pharma industry. We hear from our customers every day about their need to balance their initiatives to save costs and also address their sustainability KPIs. And thankfully, we're positioned in a way to really help support those initiatives and balance profitability without sacrificing sustainability. Sustainability is the heart of what Ecolab does, and bringing together all of our solutions that address the health of people, planet, and businesses to help ensure that our solutions can create value, and all doing this without sacrificing our customers and their needs for addressing sustainability initiatives. Ecolab provides innovative and cost-effective solutions for our customers, and when you're looking at it from the perspective of water management, to our resins that help with drug purification processes, to all of our contamination control solutions, we have comprehensive solutions that truly address our customers' needs to assure productivity, operational excellence, and of course, sustainability. Our programs, such as Ecolab Water for Climate, help our pharmaceutical customers address their sustainability needs, all while assuring to increase their productivity and support their compliance initiatives. Purification is a critical drug manufacturing step, and our Purolite resins are a critical part of that entire process. We approach sustainability of the purification process for our customers and ensure that we're really addressing some of their needs to increase productivity and yield of their final product, all while helping to reduce water or buffer solution in many cases throughout the steps. Also, in our own manufacturing processes, Ecolab has taken steps to practice what we preach and take our own technology and bring that to all of our plants. So helping to bring the same kind of efficiencies that we bring to our customers throughout our own operations. Our jetted manufacturing process helps Ecolab to reduce the harmful solvents and waste that is otherwise associated with traditional manufacturing processes. And this really aligns our company's mission to help our customers protect the resources that are so vital to life. We know working with our customers that there's a desire to make drugs more cost-effective and accessible throughout the world. And we also understand that they're under intense pressure to reduce their overall cost. And within the drug manufacturing process, the purification step is very costly. So we try to partner with our customers to really understand what is their process and how can our resins uniquely adapt to what they're doing and assure that we're increasing their productivity and drug yield, and finding other ways, such as through sustainability and other initiatives, that will help reduce that overall cost of their final product. We already talked about sustainability, but we're also hearing and seeing from our customers other ways that they're looking to optimize their production. One of the things we hear a lot about is continuous manufacturing, and how do we have various solutions that help them to manufacture in a different way that also provides additional benefits with increasing demand without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Additionally, we're seeing across the industry, and as we have conversations with our customers, the increase in complexity in what they're providing and the therapies that they're designing. And we're uniquely positioned to help them in that journey as we're seeing more complexity both in manufacturing and supply. As treatments become more personalized and the demands of supply and the entire supply chain are intensified for our customers, we want to ensure that we can partner with them to produce at scale and yet without sacrificing quality or regulatory compliance. We also know that the evolving regulatory landscape and the impact on supply chain and compliance continues to impact our customers even years after COVID. Ecolab can work as a partner with our customers to help them understand the continued and evolving complexity of regulation, as well as assure to help de-risk their supply chain and help them navigate some of the challenges that they face. Lastly, we know that as digitization continues to evolve very rapidly, this is an area that we are well positioned to truly help our customers understand what are the capabilities that we have and how can we partner with them to co-develop and ensure that we're innovating alongside them. A Well, like everyone, we are witnessing a significant shift in how the pharma industry is embracing digitization and AI in everything that they're doing. And Ecolab is committed to holistically supporting our customers in their journey and assuring that we're bringing them unique solutions to help support some of the evolution of what their needs are with digital technology. Ecolab is committed to holistically supporting our customers in their production and their journey to embrace new innovation and how can we perhaps co-develop together. We know that digitization is really impacting how our customers conduct research and how they're then taking their findings into production. And how do we help them both with development, manufacturing, and then of course continued commercialization of their new therapies. Ecolab has been leveraging digital technology for over 30 years, and we continue to innovate alongside our customers and again partner with them to understand what are the unique needs of the industry and how can we help co-develop with them. And even in our own operations, Ecolab continues to invest and innovate so that we can bring the best to our customers, not only through our own operations, but also through connected devices, machine-driven insights, and optimizing operational efficiency. Digitization and AI have the potential to revolutionize how pharma companies can address unmet patient needs. And while there are many uncertainties, it's an exciting time to help support our customers and help them take shape in the drug manufacturing and production processes.